Hi everyone! Welcome sa ating stats tutorial. Today, we will talk about a very important topic, paano naiiba ang simple regression sa multiple regression. Kung nag-aaral ka ng research or psychology, super helpful ng lesson na to para maintindihan mo kung paano nagpe-predict ang mga variables. So, let's begin. For today's objective, our goal is to define what simple regression and multiple regressions are. Next, know their purpose and how they are used. And lastly, understand their similarities and differences. And of course, see how we use them in psychology. By the end, sana mas confident ka nang gamitin ang regression sa research mo. Before tayo mag-compare, let's start with the foundation. Regression analysis is a statistical method used to measure the relationship between variables. Ito yung tool na ginagamit natin para i-predict ang isang outcome, or what we call the dependent variable, using one or more independent variables. Basically, sinasagot nito ang tanong na, how much does X affect Y? At can we predict Y using X? Now, let's talk about simple regression. Simple regressions mean one independent variable predicting one dependent variable. For example, you want to know if hour of sleep can predict stress level. Isang factor lang ang titignan mo. The formula looks like y equals a plus bx. This shows how the dependent variable changes kapag nagbabago ang single independent variable. In psychology, a very common example is, does hour of sleep predict stress level? Here, dependent variable is stress and the independent variable is sleep. Kung gusto mong malaman kung may effect ba talaga ang tulog sa stress, simple regression ang gamitin mo. It's straightforward, mabilis, at easy to interpret. Next is multiple regression. Dito, dalawa or mas marami pang independent variable ang ginagamit para i-predict ang same dependent variable. So, instead of one factor, combination of factors ang gagamitin mo. Formula niya ay y equals a plus b1 x1 plus b2 x2 and so on. These help researchers understand which variable is the strongest predictor at kung paano sila nag-work together. Example in psychology, predicting academic performance using motivation, study habits, and self-efficacy. Tatlong factors isang outcome. Mas realistic ito kasi sa totoong buhay, behavior is influenced by many factors, hindi lang iisa. So now, let's compare them side by side. Simple regression is one independent variable, simple, quick, and easy, and it is best for studying one relationship. Next, the multiple regression. It is two or more independent variables, more complex, and it shows combined effects. And lastly, it helps identify strongest predictor. So in short, simple regression is like studying one cause, and multiple regression is like studying the whole picture. So, kung kailan mo gagamitin ang bawat isa, we use simple regression when one factor lang ang gusto mong i-examine. You want a clear and specific relationship. Next, we will use multiple regression when maraming factors ang makaka-apekto sa dependent variable, if you want a more accurate prediction, and lastly, you want to identify which factor matters the most. Most psychological research use multiple regression dahil mas realistic at mas informative. In psychology, ang daming behaviors and outcomes na influenced by multiple variables. For example, depression is influenced by stress, coping skills, and social support. Motivation is influenced by mindset, environment, and goals. Simple regression teaches us basic cause and effect. Multiple regression help us understand the complexity of human behavior. So, quick summary before we end. Simple regression is one independent variable is to one dependent variable. Multiple regression is two or more independent variable is to one independent variable. Multiple regressions provide deeper and more accurate insights, while both are essential tools depending on your research question. So choose wisely based on your study.